In CRM 2015, we have made some significant investments in the way power users can build insights with the data stored in their CRM system without writing any code. To do this, we are introducing two new features, Rollup Fields and Calculated Fields. Rollup Fields are for calculations across one-to-many relationships. You can think of these formulas similar to using sum, min, and max, and count in Microsoft Excel. Let's look at a few examples where Rollup Fields can be used in CRM. Total open revenue, where you want to provide the total revenue for all the opportunities related to an account. Total open cases, which shows the total number of cases that are open to a linked account. Qualified leads. From a campaign, you want to show the total number of qualified leads that originated from a specific campaign. Rollup Fields provide countless possibilities for non-developer power users to build out key insights using a simple user interface. While building these insights was possible in previous versions of CRM, they would usually require a developer. Let's take a look at how rollups can be created and configured in Dynamics CRM. Navigate to Settings, then click Customization. Here you can click on Customize My System. You can click New or open an existing field. Let's open an existing field. Here is open revenue for the account entity. Here you can click Edit to view the formula. At the top you see Account, which is the source entity or the entity for which the rollup value will be visible on. Next, you see the related entity. For open revenue, we are adding all of the related opportunities estimated revenue. Note that we are also filtering based on the opportunities that are currently open. At the bottom, we have selected Sum in order to get the total of the open revenue. You can change the aggregation method between Sum, Min, and Max. With the value set to Yes, it means that the rollup value will include the open revenue from the accounts under the parent account. With hierarchy set to No, you will only get the total from the opportunities directly related to the parent account. Calculated field formulas are made up of current entity fields along with the fields that are on related entities through a many-to-one relationship. Calculated fields use basic math operators, along with some date and string functions. Additionally, you can model complex conditions with and/or support. Here are a few examples of calculated fields. Weighted revenue, to provide a single metric to help a sales representative prioritize an opportunity. This is made up of the probability multiplied by the estimated revenue. Lead score. Based on the different data points within your lead, you can provide a score to help your sales teams follow up and prioritize the open leads. Invoice due date, where you add a time period, say 30 days after the date the order was fulfilled. Let's take a look at how you create and configure a calculated field. We will create a new calculated field for opportunity to provide the sales team with a calculated weighted revenue for their opportunities. Here's where you can specify a condition for your calculation. Perhaps you only want to show the weighted revenue if the opportunity is still open. Then we can add the weighted revenue calculation under the Action section. Here you get a free form text box, but as added value to help you build your formulas faster and with less errors, we have provided you with IntelliSense. After you click the text box, the drop-down will show you the possible values for the formula. Here we will select the estimated value of the opportunity and multiply it by the probability. Note that you can see the data type in the IntelliSense. With probability being a whole number, I will divide it by 100 to get the probability in a decimal format. Then multiply it by the estimated value. Calculated fields and rollup fields can be used together. Let's look at a scenario for a service or sales manager. While you may have several accounts that you manage and monitor, you need an easy way to identify if there are any accounts that need immediate attention. For this, you can create a rollup field to provide you the number of open cases for every account. Additionally, you can have another rollup that provides you the total count of open revenue against the account. Then, using a calculated field, you can provide logic to mark an account as needing attention based on the total outstanding revenue and the total of number of open cases against an account. This will provide the sales and service managers the ability to easily determine which accounts may need attention. All of this is just the tip of the iceberg for the new capabilities of CRM 2015. I hope this video has provided you a start towards updating or creating your own CRM implementation using calculated and rollup fields.